Good morning everyone. Client has a problem with the Centurion D10 Smart and he's elected to upgrade to a D20 Smart. It's quite a big steel sliding gate, 5.5 meters long, solid steel. So yeah, let's quickly do it. Alright guys, it's paramount that your base plate is level. So we had to cut this one loose and re-weld it back into position level. On a D20 you only have 2 securing bolts that secures the motor. So your platform needs to be level. Makes it much easier and much more sturdier for the gate motor. So this one's obviously is going nowhere. Alright, cool. Let's see this Centurion D20 Smart in action. Completed the installation. It's not the quickest motor, but it's strong like an ox. Again, notice the gate motor is standing dead still. There's no vibrations on it. We have an origin marker on a D20, and we don't have them on a D10. Right, Centurion D20 Smart. Standing dead still. That's how a Centurion D20 Smart should run. Right, supporting brackets on the steel gate rail, 500mm apart, especially on this heavy steel sliding gate. We don't grind our welding because we know how to weld properly. So this is a 4.8 meter gate, and we had fitted 14 steel brackets, 40 by 40 by 3 angle iron. So that's what you need on a very heavy steel sliding gate in order for your gate motor to perform and last a very long time.